If your Deebo is dragging itself on the floor and its side brushes have stopped rotating or do not rotate as normal, or if you don't want your robo vacuum to behave like this, that is, drag itself on the floor and side brushes stop rotating, then you need to watch this video. You will also see in the video what this behavior leads to, the error message that Deebo gives, and why it displays this behavior. This is a common issue, so if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button now and let's get started with the video. After the Deebo kept dragging on the floor for some time and then came to a complete halt, it said this:
"Brush is gentle, please clean up. Maze brush is gentle, please clean up."
Also, if you look closely, you will see that the power button on the Deebo starts flashing. The ECOVACS Home app showed an error that the main brush is tangled and the main brush needs to be cleaned. It also gave a set of instructions on how to remove the main brush and clean it.
The error as to why the Deebo was dragging itself and the side brushes of the Deebo were not moving and it was not vacuuming properly is because this yellow main brush was completely tangled, and you can see how much hair and dust it has. This is, I've turned the Deebo upside down. I'll have to take out this brush and clean it properly. Now I tried to pull out some hair and dust from here, but that still not worked because the Deebo was still dragging itself, the side brushes were not rotating, etc. I'll have to now pull this yellow brush out and clean it properly and remove all the dust and hair. So you have to, in order to take this part out, you have to...
I had relied on the auto empty function and not cleaned my Deebo regularly for weeks together. Thereby dust and hair accumulated and congested parts of the Deebo, such as the main brush underneath the Deebo. It is recommended that you clean all parts of the Deebo, including your main brush, regularly, at least fortnightly, which will solve this problem. After I cleaned all parts of my Deebo, as demonstrated in the last part 3 of this cleaning series, the Deebo stopped dragging and the error message went away. It was back to working as normal. To see why Deebo drags on the floor, you need to keep watching this video, else click like, share, subscribe and get the third part of this video, which shows which components of the Deebo to clean regularly to stop it from dragging like this on the floor, as shown in this video.